What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad here, back again with another video. And today we starting this video outside in my driveway. You see the big Ram Reezy in the back. I call that Tom Brady. We got Tom Brady in the back. We got my wife truck right there. You know, shout out to the big wife with the QX, you know. But if y'all looking for it, it's she right there too. However, I just want to come to y'all and I want to tell y'all that if you have a Dodge Ram, right, and you looking for mods or anything for your Dodge Ram, I think that I'm going to have a bonus mod coming from you guys if you guys got the square headlights too. And when I say the square headlights, I am speaking about these headlights right here. Right now. But I'm talking about these headlights right here. If you have these headlights, there's a headlight out there for you, and the headlight guys love that we love to spend money on headlights. So I'm about to show y'all the top 5 products that I feel every 2009 Ram 1500 should have. Are y'all ready? Top 5 mods in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top 5 mods right here. Reverse LED lights. This is for your camera. It'll help you with your reverse camera, and it'll brighten it up real good, so you need those LED lights for your reverse lights. This here is the antenna. You know you need an antenna on these trucks because it comes with that big ugly antenna right there. So if you don't want that antenna, this antenna is the way to go. It's basically a 6.5. I'm gonna open it up for you guys, but it's a 6.5 inch black antenna. And this here, if you have a Mustang top dog with the leather seats, you got the floor lights. Sorry about this, is dirt. I'm gonna clean this up. But you have the floor lights and things. So that's what this is for my truck. I really like that in my Mustang, so I wanted them here. Boom. Next mod. That's 1, 2, 3. Well, these go together. Light and go together. And this is the interior lights. So I could change. Sorry about the truck, it's a little dirty, but that's so I could change these right here. If I change these, it's gonna be LED, which will be awesome. So that's what I'm doing. But right now, we getting back to the action. So this is the interior LED lights. I'm gonna drop the link to everything that I ordered off Amazon in the description below for anybody who wants to do it. And if you're anything like me and you hate when your tailgate fall down and you can't really do much with it because it slams down, this is the tailgate assist right here. I had this on my Ford, and now I'm putting it on my Dodge. This is from 09 to current on its 1500, and for the 25 and 3500, it's from the 2010 and up. So I'm going to set this up also. This is going to be something. And man, oh man, this here, this is for you if you need, like, if you need a quick charge and your Ram have the outlet right here, the power outlet. If your Ram had a power outlet, you definitely need this mod. If your Ram don't have that, I feel bad for you because you basically ain't got a good one. So, quick charge, wireless charge station right here. This is love. This is love. Definitely love. So these here are my top 5 mods that I think. Interior LED lights, reverse LED lights, that's one. The second mod is your tailgate assist. Your third mod, only if you have the electrical power port, you need this, the wireless charging right here for the wall adapter. And you need your interior lights if you like the interior lights to be lit up. If you and your girl are going somewhere, you and your guy going somewhere, and y'all want to just be special with the lights, you set the lights for your tone. And you need this here antenna for your Sirius XM radio so it wouldn't be doing all that blurring. And there you go, man. This is my top mods for my Ram, a.k.a. the Big Tom Brady. That's what I call this, the Big Tom Brady, man. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. My next video is going to be me after everything is installed, from the lights, the tailgate assist, the flooring lights, the charger port. I'm going to let you guys see how that is. And when I get this bonus light, which is this bonus mod, which is the headlights, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks. So hope y'all enjoyed this here quick video. It wasn't nothing too major. It was just something quick. I just wanted to get that out because I just ordered those parts, and I just wanted everybody to understand what I have and what I'm doing. We got old Thunder in the cut. I need to get me another car cover because my car cover I had is broke, but you can still see that paint nice with the beads on it, you know. And over here, I also did my wife's truck. You can see that shine on camera. I did that shine on that too. So yeah, everything is coming along nice. It's the good season, so we're gonna start having our events at the house. I have my belt for my mower coming tomorrow, so I could do my mower and everything like that. But yeah, man, I just hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy KashDaKoolDad, Tom Brady, the QX, and Thunder, and we